here. Quick check, and we go back to what we were doing yesterday before me crashing really badly. Better not internet. Channel. Okay, Twitch is working. YouTube is working as well. Nice. Is working as well. Okay, let's go. Maybe today is the day where we don't crash really badly. Let me just open YouTube chat here so I can check if we have comments. YouTube. Okay, I have the chat open. Guys, mobile like phones are so fucking cool. But if I could have the chat, it would be even cooler. Whatever. I mean, I cannot use the split screen to see the chat. So. Okay, whatever. So, hey, welcome. What are we gonna do today is we are gonna continue what we were doing yesterday. And what it was is we are testing both Cloud Code and Codex CLI to understand which is better. And we are doing it in two of my smaller code bases. The first one is Buddy Intel, that basically is just a Telegram bot where you send a Twitter link, it extracts the Twitter content, and it just creates a headline, a paragraph explaining what's the tweet or the thread about. Okay. What's the tweet or the thread? What's the tweet or the thread about? And it refers to the official link here. So what I want to do is creating a slash report button, a slash report either button or command, where I just click slash report in my logs channel, and it gives me all the weekly news in succession. So I can see, for example, and I can send it as a newsletter or as a thread or everything else. So everything seems to go kinda okay. I hope nothing crashes. Let me also open the door one sec. So I'm 100% sure that nothing dies. Ole. Because here the doors are made of thick wood. Let me see if I'm back to the right angle on the camera. I mean, it's not the best in the world, but you need to. Maybe. Okay. So yeah, let's get back to where we were yesterday, and it was more or less here. That's the Cloud Code run. Right now we are in the report Cloud Code directory and branch more than directory. So that's what Cloud Code made. Let's ask him to create a PR if he didn't do it yet. Perfect. Create a PR. So this is one shot. Let's see if it works. Let me host it on Vercel1 quickly. Okay. Yes, seems to go good as well. It's creating the PR. So let me get my GitHub account in the other window. Okay, and the PR is done. Body intels. Let's see. The PR is here. I'll let CodeRabbit also review it. Okay, the preview on Vercel is working. Let it pass the CI/CD test. Okay, Vercel deployment is completed. Now let's just wait for CodeRabbit and we are good to go. No. Okay, CodeRabbit is done as well. And everything seems good. Let's merge this. Let me delete the branch. Right. Code. It's uploading it on Vercel. One thing that makes me pretty pissed is that the all agent thingy from Cursor now auto pins every time you start a new session. No, I don't understand. Every time I remove it, it just appears. Probably you need to tweak something or I don't know. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Vercel. Okay, it's done. Let's get Telegram back. Let's go to the logs and do /report. Let's see if it works. Okay, no. It's not working. Amazing. Let's do it. Oh. Let's see in the Vercel logs. What's the issue? Logs. I guess it's this one. Okay, I got a error. Let's see if this is the problem. What's the time of the error? 9:12. Yes, it's right. Please fix this. Ultra think. While coding at its peak. Oh, I forgot to make no errors as well. So let's count the amount of times we need to go back and forth right now for. Let me get my calculator. Cloud code is just one time. Codex, we still need to test it. Also, as a model, we are using GPT-5 Mini on OpenRouter because it's super easy to change from one model to another. And in particular, GPT-5 Mini because it's pretty intelligent, but it's also really, really cheap. Like, let me just GPT-5 Mini. It's 25 cents in, $2 out. Crazy, crazy good. Sadly, it's a bit slow yet. I think, yes, 60, no, 50 tokens of throughput. But once this becomes faster, something like Gemini 2.5 Flash, it is, it's really similar. And the throughput is similar as well, honestly. Beside the Vertex one, that is 30 token more. It's quite a lot, actually. The AI Studio one is just 60. I mean, at this point, for 30 tokens, I don't know if it's worth it to use 2.5 Flash instead of GPT-5 Mini. Also because GPT-5 in general, it's a lot better actually at tool calling, like really, really better than Gemini. So, let's push in the thingy. Let's push it in the same branch. So we reactivated it. Okay. Let me see if I have PRs. I think I need to make it. Well, yeah, shit. Great. Yeah. So he added it as a commit on the branch, but I deleted the branch. Just idiotic. I wanna see if you guys hear the news. Doesn't seem to work on Twitch. Let me see on YouTube. Twitch. Okay, it works on YouTube. Okay. Dun 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 dun. He's doing strange stuff. It's pulling from origin. I think he's just creating another branch. Yes. It's okay. Luckily, no one needs to review this code besides CodeRabbit and Gemini Assistant. So. GitHub. Okay, it's doing something. In the meantime, let's go to the other thing I want to do. Okay, no, the PR is ready. Because the second thing that we are gonna try Codex against Cloud Code is BodyStream. This is the other update I made. And it's gonna be a fun ride because it's gonna be mostly on the UI side. And this is mainly on the in the logic and the backend. Okay, that's done. Let me merge this real quick. I will not delete the branch this time because it can be used later. Let me wait for the deployment. Come on, you can do it. Okay, starting now. I have 50 seconds of build time. That's not bad. I mean, for a hub that is this simple, maybe it's a bit bad, but who the fuck cares? I'm still sleepy. I need another coffee. But yeah. In the meantime, guys, if you have any question about AI, vibe coding, no coding, no, just vibe coding, you can write it somewhere. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the Vercel deployments. Okay. Let's try one more time, but this time instead of uh, bothering the guys from my private community, let's go to the playground. Let me find a piece of news that we can share on Twitter. The new Comet one is okay. So agent play. So just an FYI, Comet is releasing Comet Plus. Let me just bring the Twitter page here. That is a standalone subscription that's it's equivalent to Apple News. This seems pretty good. The most cool thing is that Pro and Max will get it automatically. So let's go. Okay, that's done. So that's what it does. Basically, headline, paragraph, original tweet. Now I need to create a log channel, I think. Let me create a topic. Show topic list. I need to remember how to create a topic. Edit topic. Create topic. So logs slash link was something like this. Let me just ask real quick. How do I link the logs channel? I need to record the commands so they appear when you do slash, but I forgot. Yeah, it was basically this. Slash link logs, and the logs are linked. Yes. So just do slash report now. Okay, I think we need to link it first, and then yes, let me just this. We have the cache summary. Maybe like this it works. Slash report. No. Okay. But at least this time doesn't give us an error. Oh, let me see the logs. If I do like this with outputs, I got another error. Okay, here. Please fix. But we should extract. Wait. How the report manager works. We should just patch the content we have in the database. I have another idea as well for this code base specifically. I want to move it to convex, like from Supabase to convex. Oh, cloud codes be like, you're absolutely right. I'm always absolutely right. What is doing? You're right. The report manager is much simpler. Is what we actually have. Okay. So what I was saying, I want to move this specific code base from Supabase to convex. Been using convex lately, and for those specific use cases, so everything that's AI related, it's a huge game changer because it makes stuff so much easier. It gives you a lot of pre-made components. The sync engine is really, really cool. So yes, it's pretty nice to work with. And I think at this point, another task that we can ask to either Cloud Code or Codex is to migrate everything to Convex. Also because it should be pretty easy. This code base is small, but really, really small. So it shouldn't have any problem whatsoever. Okay, let's see what it's doing. In the meantime, for real, we can just go to the body stream. I will show you what body stream is real quick. The stream.bodytools.org. So here, Ole. So basically, it's a simple tool where you can sign in and you can create your stream spaces and you can ask people to suggest you stuff you can cover in your streams, sending your ref link. So when I send you my ref link, that is gonna look something like this. You can choose the date and the suggestion, all the details for the suggestion, and you can either put your name or remain anonymous. Super, super simple. So one thing that I wanted to improve is this section here for the schedule events. I wanna make it so admin can archive past events. So let's just ask Codex. It should be pretty easy. So let me just open Codex here. Codex. I don't remember if they already have image support, but I think they do. But let me be a bit more specific if they don't. In the scheduled event section, can you let admins archive past streams and edit directly from there all the details about upstream that is upcoming, not the one that's already ended. And also one other thing, another reason why Convex is really, really cool for vibe coder specifically is that everything you have that is backend related, it's literally stored here. Like you don't need MCPs, you don't need anything stupid to fetch your schema or fetch anything. You have everything here. And it's so useful. So fucking useful. Let's get back to cursor. Okay, let me push the PR. And there is a non-zero chance that I just start to push everything to main directory. Just saying. So PR, what's this pull request? It's in the report database migration, no, relationship. Yes. contribute, open a PR. Okay, let's see. Merge. Okay, let's see. I hope this is the last change on the Cloud Code side. Shouldn't take that much to do something so easy. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, Versal, you can do it. Guys, Versal is so good. This stream became a living HUD, like a living Adivu, but it's so easy to use. Okay, let's go back to Telegram. Come on, you can do it. Okay. So this is okay. We have two problems. The first one is getting the context of the other group, and that's a huge issue. The second one is the formatting, but the formatting can be fixed pretty easily. So let's use plan modes and let's get a bit direct. So we have two problems. The first one is the formatting. The second one is that the slash report command should be relative to the group. So to the specific group. So don't get the news from other groups. Let me also paste the message here. But it's okay, it's almost working, let's say. So I think this is the third iteration. 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna be the fourth. So let awesome. Let's build, check types, and push to GitHub. Also, I could check it locally as well, but who bothers? Banax convex tab, and also refresh my convex thingies. What? Uh, oh, I'm not using. I'm in the wrong repo. Okay, I'm in the wrong. Thank you. Yeah. Banax convex tab. So it's gonna change the scheme automatically. Okay, it deployed everything. What do you want to run? What the fuck? No, it's okay. Just run, run, build. And if everything is working, push to it up. And it's pretty simple. You can do it. Don't overthink. Even if I put it on think, I thinking mode wherever it is. So is the thingy okay? The plan is done. It doesn't filter chat ID. Yes, you need to filter by chat ID. Okay. Okay, but I wanna add one other thing. Perfect. Another thing I want to add is that I want a whole summary at the start of the message for all the news. You can use GPT-5 Mini and Open Router like you are doing for the summary. So it's gonna give me the full news summary, let's say. So this week happened this, and those are all the links of what happened. So it can be pretty useful. Let me get back to the body stream. Need to write to .git, git add, git commit, and git push. Yes, you can. You can do it. Okay, we pushed. So this code base, the body stream one, is React and Vite, and it builds in 10 seconds, like straight 10 seconds build. 9 even. Yeah. For people that are skeptic, so, yeah, 9 seconds. Crazy. So let's get back to our okay. These are the yes, let's do it. Cloud call plan mode, it's really smart. I mean, Opus is pretty smart. Yeah. Okay, let's get to body stream. So I think it's in the calendar section. Something happened. Install, install. What? Okay, we got an error. Please fix this. I think we didn't run a good TS check, like type check. Yeah, that's the main thing. The biggest problem of Codex CLI between all the programs that it has is this thinking thing that it clutters the UI so much. I think they should add a flag that's like stop shit talking or something like that. If it's already there, I couldn't find it in the docs. So that's their fault. Don't do strange things. Remember to follow convex rules when you touch convex folders. Files. How is he doing here? Okay. You can do it. Can do it. I want to see if people on X hears the music. Hmm. Not from here, but from the X Media Studio. X Media Studio. Oh, okay, nice. Speaking of X Media Studio, is so fucking bad. Wherever. Who cares? So all we are doing here, okay, we pushed it. Let me push the PR. Wherever. Code, branches, just in the branch. Okay, open a PR, PR, and merge the PR. Okay, let's go. Let's wait for it to be pushed on Vercel, and we are good to go. Let's see if it works now. It's so good to see excellent connection on all the streaming platforms. Nice. So, how is Codex doing? Please always push everything. Come on, we can do it. Okay, let me see if it builds successfully. This works. Ban run build. Okay. So now body stream Now it's updated. Let's get here and let's see if it works. I still get an error. Okay. Go here. Okay, it works now. Let's go. So I can archive the past ones. Nice. Archive. Okay. And I can edit the upcoming ones. Amazing. So yes, Codex, two iterations, and the first one was a problem probably because I was just stupid and didn't do the build check. But yeah, Codex, brilliant. I was a lot like there was a lot of skepticism from me at the start because GPT models were never that good at coding. But with GPT-5i, maybe they redeemed themselves. But they didn't arrive at a level that is like we are using GPT-5 for everything now, fuck Sonnet and wherever. Like the Anthropic CEO a while back said um, that news were upcoming in the like pretty soon. It was something like start of September, mid September, or something like that. I think I have it somewhere here beside Gemini 3. Here, no? Okay. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, no, I cannot. But still, like the Anthropic CEO at one point said, we are gonna release a new model pretty soon, or it was something similar. It was like in some more powerful model releasing pretty soon. When they released the Opus 4.2, because they said like this is 4.1, sorry, they said this is like a small upgrade. In the coming weeks we are gonna have something much bigger. And if I think that Sonnet 4.5 is the same leap as from Sonnet 3.5 to Sonnet 4, things are gonna go crazy. Like Anthropic is gonna be de facto the developer API. I mean, they are already hard from for one extent, but they're gonna claim their place forever, basically. I don't know what they are gonna do with the new Gemini model, the Gemini 3, if they are just gonna release a model that is fantastic on tool uses. I don't know. I lost a bit of hope seeing the new Gemini 2.5 models, but I mean, Google, it's a huge, huge player. It's one of the companies that will win long term. I'm pretty sure about that. I don't know just about now. So range sides. Let me get back to this. This is it deployed? Let me check on this. Linters, deployment. I think it worked. Yes. So let's try again. Did he send it? No? Fuck. I don't know what was happening, guys. Okay. Perfection. I mean, almost. But that's basically it. That's what we needed. So that's the detailed news. The formatting is still a bit meh, but it's just because I didn't specify what kind of formatting, which kind of formatting I want. So that's pretty good. So we have they are both doing really well. I see them both doing better when they're using convex right now. In fact, one thing, okay, I made up my mind. Let's give this point to Cloud Code because at the end of the day, it did really, really well. And let's do one thing. Let's use Codex to migrate body intels from Superbase to Convex. Let's try this. First of all, let me do something. Slash clear. Please use the Superbase MCP to get the schema from Superbase for this for Codebase. I have, I think, either 3 or 4 tables, ultra things, and create a JSON file in the docs folder. I have, yeah, around 3 or 4 tables. I have a database with many more tables because I have multiple projects in the same database. So I will just ask him to extract the schema. Because, on Supabase, you can extract the schema directly with a bunch of commands. I have one saved, that is this one. So here you can just extract all the public tables. But let's just make it Cloud Code do it on its own. In the meantime, let me just remove all this shit. Okay. Let me put in the docs convex rules.md. Let me paste this. Let me wait for the Supabase thing. I will move back to main. Okay, here is almost done. Come on, Supabase. Come on, come on, come on. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, they are adding like migration history, but I didn't ask for it. Whatever. It's okay. It's okay. Just move. Come on. But this stream, by the way, is pretty cool. And also, if you have some suggestions, I leave the link of my ref code both on YouTube and on Twitch, but Twitch is empty. So if anyone wants to suggest me some topics that we need to cover, you can just write them there. Are you done? Okay, I guess it's gonna be a waiting game. And it's also the last thing we are gonna do. Next live, guys, that is gonna be either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. We are gonna do a whole migration. We are gonna move body intels, that is this code base, from Supabase to Convex. For a bunch of reasons. I will explain my reason better, I think, next live. But the main reason is that Convex has a whole folder where everything is defined, like both your backend and your database. So you don't need MCPs, you don't need anything strange. Everything is here. It's really, really good with coding agents because they know exactly how your front end, how your backend, and how your database looks like from the same exact code base. So that's one of the most important reasons. I have other things that I want to check out with all of you. That, for example, one is the agents.md. It's basically standard the OpenAI is creating for the .md file, uh, like the cloud.md, etc., etc. As you can see here, a lot of people already started to support it. Of course, Codex because it's from OpenAI. AMP that they told me it's really really good. It's a IDE agent. Sorry, it's a CLI agent as well. Jules, that is the async agent from Google. Cursor, Factory, RuCode, Kilo Code, Open Code as well. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. Cloud Code will probably do it as well. It's funny how those two labs are working to have their standards implemented. I mean, Anthropic it's a lot far ahead of this. They created the MCP standard that maybe it was not revolutionary wherever you can feel all the shenanigans. Oh, it's just a wrapper of an API. The S in MCP stands for security and blah blah blah. But MCP are really cool. You cannot say anything about them. Uh, and there's a standard that Anthropic created. Now the OpenAI is coming with this. It's important. Don't get me wrong, but it's not as important. That's that's for sure. But yeah, I mean that's a bit an understatement on the OpenAI side. They created a bunch of other super cool standards. The OpenAI API now it's a super cool standard. So yeah, they are both winning in their own fields. So Cloud Code just committed suicide. It's okay. I'm gonna extract the schema manually once I'm done, and to the yes, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I'm just gonna come here with the schema defined and tell Codex, look, brother, we need to migrate this code base. It's just 5 tables and 4 APIs or something like that. Do it for me, and let's see if they were able to do it. Right now, honestly, I think that Cloud Code and Codex are Codex with GPT-5i are a bit on par. Cloud Code is still better for a bunch of reasons. The better documentation, the better tooling, like hooks, like what else? Like yeah, hooks, the sub agents. You can resume your history. That's something that you cannot do with Codex, as far as I know. So right now, Cloud Code I think is the best option, but Codex it's almost at the same level. Let's say if we have let me just do a quick stupid graph. If Cloud Code already started here and now is more or less here, but it reached a plateau because it's basically the best thing that we have right now. Codex started here, but it's basically here at this point. Yeah, here. Let's say here. So if OpenAI releases a model that is a improved version of Codex One, that was the model that they released. It was like an O3 fine-tuned version to just do coding. I think they can approach Cloud Code. Uh, how good is Cloud Code? The main problem that now Codex has is the model. I mean, Sonnet is still the best. Opus is still the best test. And yeah, that's one of the major factors. A cool thing is that technically on Codex, you can use all the models you want because it's fully open source. But then if you use Sonnet here, it doesn't make any sense. Just use Cloud Code. So yeah, for now, that's That's how things stands, in my opinion. So this is Cloud Code. This is Codex. And this is a good screenshot for YouTube. Let me just do the pointy arrows. A suggestion for my friends at Excalibur, we need to have arrows. Okay. Let's say Cloud Code versus Codex. Excel. Nice. That's a nice rage bait screenshot, by the way. And I think for now that's it. It's 10 a.m. I think I will start moving the hour of when I do the streams. Right now it's 10 a.m. CET. That's my time zone because I'm in Italy. But I don't see a lot of people, and there are a bunch of reasons for that. First of all, I suck at streaming. Okay, makes a lot of sense. My content sucks. Makes a lot of sense. It's 10 a.m. in the morning CET. Maybe that's a strange hour as well. Let's forget the first two and let's try the third option. So, again, everyone, thank you for being here. If you have any question or suggestion, you can use the stream.buddytools.org/has/Francesco_Hodo to suggest me stuff. Or you can write me in DMs on Twitter, a comment on YouTube. You can find my Twitter, my Tinder profile. You have a bunch of options. For now, that's it. Thank you so much again. Talk to you later. Bye. I'll talk to you later is the ending of my advisory calls. See you tomorrow. Maybe it's a bit better.